Traditionally, when someone resided their house, they could only change how their house looked. With Hardie plank with insulation, not only does it make your house look better, but it's going to make your house perform better too.
Alyssa's house was actually the very first foam-backed insulation job that we sold. One of their biggest concerns was noise across the back. Big air conditioner right outside their daughter's room.
And the sound, the noise reduction, we don't notice the air conditioner or animals in the neighborhood. It's been a great addition to the house.
Hardie plank with insulation is different than traditional Hardie plank because it's backed with a foam backing. And what that does is it makes a quieter house, it makes a more energy efficient house, and it also provides a much easier and consistent installation.
Who doesn't want their house to be more energy efficient? Who doesn't want their house to be quieter? Who doesn't want it to be more beautiful? It's kind of a telltale sign of what Hardie has always been. You know, they've been a leader and an innovator.
You don't just have to buy a brand new house to get the benefits of energy performance. Now with Hardie plank with insulation, you can take your old house and retrofit it to perform like a brand new house.
The great thing about Hardie plank with insulation is that, first of all, it starts out as Hardie plank itself. You know, it has all those great characteristics that we've all come to love with Hardie plank. It also makes the house a lot more comfortable because of the way that it's wedged on the back to help maintain average temperature throughout the house. You don't avoid, you know, this room or that room depending on what season it is. More importantly, it adds value to the jobs that we do for our customers.
It's going to keep the outside outside and the inside inside. It's going to be a night and day difference when it's done.
More and more, we're pitching it as standard to our customers because that's what we'd want for our own homes.